One man brutalized him girlfriend because of say she come back late from work to house. My people, this man, his name na Ogene Joshua, and this man, he dey 29 years old. Oh. This girl wey brutalized, her name na Vanessa. This one happen for Aja for Lagos. My people, if una see this one, una go know why dem call am brutalize, because na brutality. Make una watch this video. Abi una don see how person give another woman being daughter lip surgery through beating. Then give her brutal. See as a man don already dey like opolo, like pomo. Hey, waiting. And slay mama no wan fall her hand now, never to be caught on fresh. She still get time to use Snapchat filter create video. See the mouth. This one, the girl really dey in pain. So, my people, she talk say she don dey do private massage. And now one client book her down, pay her money around 9 p.m. So na 9 p.m. she leave her house, go this client's place. She reach client's place for 10 p.m. She finish work 12 p.m. As she finish the massage 12 p.m, na so she wan go house. Come dey call her driver. Driver dey busy with family, so driver no fit make am around that time. She even try to book cab, but no way around that time. Finally, she reach the boyfriend house around 4:30, and she talk say she go back the boyfriend house that 4:30 a.m. because of say she forget her house key for that place. So na the reason why she go back there. For her to reach that place, the boyfriend no dey house. She come dey call the boyfriend because she dey with the driver for front of the house. They wait for the boyfriend. When she call the boyfriend say in dey beach around 2 a.m. for morning. Wetin your boyfriend dey do for beach 2 a.m? Finally, oga land from the beach where him been dey. As him reach, see the girl for the car. Him drag am out, carry am for go room, lock her, start to dey beat her up. Oga, why you go lock this girl down dey beat her? And this girl talk say she don dey do this work even before she meet this guy. Say na the work she don dey do. And she meet this guy since January, and up till now they don dey date. And since that January up till now, the guy don dey beat her. Constant violence. Say he don dey beat her. So even for her birthday sef, him beat her. And anytime him beat her, na apology, him go come apologize, say make him forgive am, dey beg. And she herself, as she say na love, she go accept the guy back. And this girl now, she say she don dey report this beating to the boy mother. Every time, say she don report countless times. Madam report card. Keep reporting. As he never get sense to know say this boy is not for you. Person dey beat you, you no fit stop. You report give the mother no dey do anything, you still dey there. He go ask for forgiveness. He go say okay, yes. And my own question, who dey go massage client 10 p.m? You no fit talk no or reschedule because of say client tell you say 6 a.m. in dey travel. So what? When you go your travel come back, I fit massage you. Why you go? What if that client be ritualist or na kidnapper? Now so you go give yourself to kidnapper or ritualist. Some people know the reason. I can't the reason this is say sure say na massage this girl go for 10 p.m. Like boyfriend, like girlfriend. As girlfriend lost too, na so boyfriend lost. Girlfriend say she go massage 10 p.m. come back around 1. Boyfriend kwanu go beach, come back around 2 a.m. Now the boyfriend beat her. I don't even know who to even side. This girl no even keep face like say na only massage she go do. You see no even dey me like say na only massage she go do or she don massage. You don't see wetin massage don cost now. Na massage now she go dey massage her lips by herself. She don turn masseuse for her lips, so lips don rise. Me I no go understand this their relationship. Wetin the guy go dey do for beach around that time? This girl, I no sure say na massage she go for. Now she know the kind thing she go for. See her picture self. She don't even wear bra. I don't know how her Instagram page go be. How her social media go be. She just say she go massage. They cry. wetin abeg something no dey clear for this matter o. And I just say the boyfriend go beat her. In fact me my own thinking be say she get this her boyfriend through massage, because the boyfriend go know how sweet the massage go dey, and him go come dey reason say 10 p.m. my girlfriend dey do massage for person, whether this person now dem don go do something ba. Maybe na wetin go dey think, come give her brutality fatality on top of everything. Hey, but this girl dem don dey beat you from January up till now, you still dey relationship. Wetin dey that relay wey you still dey shunship? You no go come out. People wey dey track dey run relay, dem dey tire, dem dey come out. You wey dem dey beat from January till now, you no dey come out. Omo, this one no really gel at all. You don report give the mother, no change. You don try for the boy side to no change. You yourself, you no go carry your leg comot. And this your massage wey you dey do late night, avoid am. If you still wan dey that relationship, avoid midnight massage. For I go call am wasage. Avoid am. Do massage daytime when people dey awake. Na the advice so my people, I hear this one. I say ma bring am come una side, make una see wetin boy do girlfriend because of say wetin she come back late from work. Na the thing wey dey o. So my people, make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.